Seeds of change. Sharing the gift of growth. In communities around the world, people are coming together to share the simple yet profound gift of seeds. These tiny packets of potential hold the promise of growth, nourishment, and connection. Seed libraries are popping up everywhere. These innovative spaces are transforming the way we think about gardening and community. Like lending libraries for books, these spaces let people share seeds. You can borrow seeds, plant them, and then return seeds from your harvest. They are a way to reconnect with the tradition of saving seeds. This practice, once common, is being revitalized through these community efforts. Seed libraries promote biodiversity and local food systems. By sharing a variety of seeds, we ensure a rich diversity of plants in our gardens and communities. They are a fun and educational resource for communities. Workshops and events teach people of all ages about the importance of seeds and how to save them. Seed libraries benefit everyone involved. They foster a sense of community and shared purpose, bringing people together over a common love for gardening. Borrowers get free seeds to start their gardens. This accessibility encourages more people to take up gardening, regardless of their financial situation. Savers help preserve plant varieties. By contributing seeds back to the library, they ensure that unique and heirloom varieties continue to thrive. The community gains a sense of connection and shared purpose. Working together in the garden builds relationships and strengthens community bonds. Seed libraries are a powerful way to promote sustainable living. They encourage environmentally friendly practices and help create resilient, self-sufficient communities. Planting the first seed. Starting your library. Starting a seed library is easier than you might think. First, find a location. This could be a community center, a local library, or even a friendly neighborhood cafe. The key is to choose a place that is accessible and welcoming to everyone. Community centers, libraries, and even cafes can work well. Next, you'll need storage. Think about how you want to organize your seeds. Consider shelves, drawers, or labeled boxes. Each type of storage has its own benefits. Shelves can display seeds openly, while drawers can keep them neatly tucked away. Gather your initial seed collection. This is the heart of your library. Ask for donations from local gardeners or seed companies. Many people are happy to share their seeds, especially if they know they are contributing to a community project. Finally, create a simple borrowing system. This doesn't have to be complicated. A notebook or index cards can work well. Clearly label everything. This helps people know what they are borrowing and how to care for it. Provide information about each seed variety. This can include the type of plant, growing conditions, and any special care instructions. Include planting instructions and tips for saving seeds. This ensures that borrowers can successfully grow and return seeds. Make sure the borrowing process is straightforward. Explain it clearly to new users. Keep track of who borrowed what and when seeds are due back. This helps maintain the library's inventory and ensures that seeds are available for everyone. Cultivating community growing together. Community involvement is key to a thriving seed library. Spread the word. Use flyers, social media, and local events. Host a seed swap to kick things off. This is a great way to gather seeds and build excitement. Invite local gardening experts to give talks. Offer workshops on seed saving and gardening basics. Collaborate with local schools and community gardens. This helps educate the next generation of gardeners. Create a welcoming and inclusive atmosphere. Encourage people to share their knowledge and love of gardening. Section 4. Nurturing the collection. Maintaining your library. Maintaining your seed library ensures its long-term success. Regularly check the viability of your seeds. Store them properly in a cool, dry place. Replenish popular varieties and add new ones. Encourage borrowers to return seeds from their harvest. Keep track of borrowed and returned seeds. This helps manage inventory and plan for the future. Stay informed about seed-saving techniques. Share this knowledge with your community. Continuously evaluate and improve your seed library based on feedback. Section 5. Reaping the rewards. A bountiful harvest. Starting a seed library is a rewarding experience. It's not just about planting seeds, it's about planting the seeds of community, knowledge, and sustainability. It brings people together around a common goal. Neighbors who may have never met before come together to share tips, stories, and the joy of gardening. It promotes biodiversity and strengthens local food systems. By growing a variety of plants, we ensure a resilient and robust ecosystem. It reconnects us to the tradition of seed saving, This ancient practice is vital for preserving heirloom varieties and ensuring future generations have access to diverse crops. The benefits of seed libraries extend beyond the garden. They become hubs of learning and engagement where workshops and events can be held to educate the community. They foster a sense of community and shared responsibility. Working together in the garden builds trust and cooperation among community members. They provide access to fresh, healthy food. This is especially important in urban areas where access to fresh produce can be limited. They empower individuals to become stewards of the earth. Learning to grow and save seeds instills a sense of responsibility and connection to the environment. Start your own seed library today and reap the rewards of a more sustainable future. By doing so, you contribute to a healthier planet and a more connected community.